Good morning, Fox Pack. Welcome back to the Fox Den. Welcome to another acid tree. So today we are in the daily driver 2008 Acura RDX. For those of you who haven't seen the exhaust video, installing the exhaust on this is my new to me, sort of new. I've had it a while now. Daily driver, and it has a downpipe, intake, blow off valve, Honda bass map tune, and an ATLP catback exhaust, which is what we installed in the other video. So today we're on our way to Garcia Mufflers. You guys will remember this shot from the G37 video where I installed the Flowmaster Flow FX resonators. This car makes some awesome noises, man. So if you've seen the exhaust install, you'll remember I mentioned that this exhaust tends to be raspy with a catless downpipe, and yeah, it is. It's not like a tin can rasp or anything, but it just sounds really weed whacker like, and I'm not surprised. This happened with my old RDX. Yes, I used to have another one of these. So today we are having the Vibrant bottle resonator installed along with a Flowmaster high flow cat to clean up the sound. I could have welded it myself, but my welds are not good when it comes to welding stuff on a car exhaust, because if I gotta lay under the car and weld, it just doesn't happen. And it's also a flux core gasless welder, whereas this place, it's, you know, actual gas welding. So we're gonna get it welded on, and hopefully it'll sound a lot better. All right, boys, we made it. I love these guys, man. They're so good. So here's the resonator and cat I'm gonna hopefully have installed. Resonator, cat. So I'm gonna get in there and we're gonna see what we can work out. All right, I just finished up. Had to wait a little bit that time, but it's all right. Do a little startup. Windows are up. Yeah, not much quieter at idle, it seems like, which is good. All right, first try. What the f is that? You guys see that? See how it sounds? Oh yeah. So it's quieter as I expected. It may get a little more rowdy as the cat and the resonator breaks in. But that god-awful weed whacker sound is completely gone. The car is quieter, but I don't need this car to be loud. This is just my daily. It's an SUV. It's just, you know, a fun boosted car to just have fun with and drive every day. It's reliable. I haven't done a smell test of the exhaust yet, but it should be a lot cleaner now. Sounds really good now. Holy crap. No more of the weed whacker sound. Hell yeah. And I just want to give Garcia Mufflers a shout out. He was like, all right, it's gonna be 140. I'm like, okay, that's fine. And then when we were done, he was like, I'm just gonna charge you 120 because you come here a lot. And I'm like, I bet. So really cool. Yeah, I mean, that price might seem a little high to some people, but I mean, he does really high quality work. Like, his welds are really good. All right, get on here. This thing's quick off the line. Then it just falls on its face in the top end. I cannot smell the exhaust now. So that's really cool. So let's get a drive off. As you can tell, light years better. Again, the Cat and the Resonator are still breaking in. I found vibrant Resonators tend to really break in, so we'll see if the sound changes later. But there's the Resonator, and the Cat is right there. So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Just a little quick one, making the daily sound better. It sounds a lot better now. Stay tuned, I'll be doing a full video review on this car very soon. I haven't even actually showed you guys the front of this car yet. It's actually pretty good looking. But yeah, we got the 2010 and up black headlights and the OEM sport lip, which I was actually holding on to that lip for many years after selling my old RDX, and I'm glad I held on to it because I bought another one. I just missed this car so much, and yeah. But we'll talk about that in the full review video of this car. Coming soon also, like I mentioned previously in the other exhaust video, a custom tune. The car's tuned, but it's a bass map. It's just an intake bass map. It's not even for the downpipe or anything. We'll be doing the injectors and a custom tune, and this thing will be running a lot stronger than it currently is, because it does have some hiccups here and there because of the downpipe. But it still gained a lot of power from the downpipe, and the turbo spools almost instantly. So remember, life is too short to stay stock, and it's only legal if you get caught. Stay fine.